Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ramya from Desi Girl 1010. So today's video is going to be a very mini giveaway just to say thank you to all of you. I am actually really close to touching 900 and change subscribers right now. So I'm very excited and I want to share my excitement with you guys by doing a giveaway. So I have been talking about a couple of my products in the last some of my videos, and they happen to be makeup items. Now this is a quad that I bought that my sister sent to me from India. It is from the Lakme Cosmetics line and this is in the shade Tanjore Rush. I have talked about this quad couple of times. This is my go-to quad these days. So this is the only thing that I find myself reaching to whenever it's an Indian occasion. And also this lipstick from Maybelline Vivids line, and this is in the shade 875 Vivid Rose, and this nail polish from Revlon. So I thought, since I'm talking so much about these products, why not I do a giveaway with these same items. So this is my quad in Tanjore Rush and I've picked up the same quad for you. Yes, the same quad. This is the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like on the quad. So I've picked up this quad. I've got this sent from India from my sister, and I've also picked up a nail polish for you. So this is my nail polish. This is Revlon polish in 260 Girly. It's a glitter polish, one of my absolute favorites. I use this polish on top of a different color, so I like it all the more. You can use this just by itself also. The next is my favorite lipstick for one of you. This is the 875 Vivid Rose lipstick by Maybelline. So you will win this. And the fourth item is this Milani lipstick. This is the Milani Statement lipstick and this is in the number 12 Flamingo Pose. That's how the packaging looks like. I'm sorry I cannot open the tube because it's completely sealed up, so I don't want to open that. And you will also win a single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Sheen Shadow and it's a very nice color that you can use as an eyelid color. So that's how the packaging looks like. So all of the information for entering the giveaway and for participating, it is going to be mentioned in the description box. Once you click the About button just below my picture, you will find all the links, all the information out there. So please go ahead and follow the rules. And yeah, like I said, this is for you. One winner is going to win all of these items and this giveaway is definitely going to be international. So don't worry about that. Wherever you are, I will ship the prizes to you in case you win. And in case you're below 18 years or younger, please go ahead and have your parents' permission to enter this giveaway. So in case you win, I shouldn't be in trouble for asking and shipping out these prizes to your address. So all of the information, like I said, is going to be in the description box below and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.